You're making noise. You're making noise.
I'm making noise.
I'm making noise. No, can you tell me the Lord has against you? Who are you? What do you want to do? I'm the person that is trying to tell you. What do you mean they're making noise? What do you mean they're making noise? You motherfucker, they're doing you. We both have a ticket, but there's a man. I will not just say, don't go, my man, I know it's my man low. My man, I don't want to doesn't make any sense. Well, then now 1 week now. 1 week. You take my hand luggage, everything you took it from me. I don't have nothing. I feel that drunk that when I get to Nigeria, I'm going to give you. But I'm running more. I'm not dying. I have a lot of shoe in my bag. I have 12. Like I said, I'm a ground staff and I'm just based on the when I address people, you were more than information you gave us the last time. The information is not correct. Wait, it was. It wasn't. Correct. You people were more than this. Some of them got that. None.
None of us got. We have a group chat. We have a group chat. None of us got our bag.
None of us. I can assure you, got their bag. Sir, I can bet.
Don't assure anything. None of us. Don't swear. Don't swear.
See, yesterday,
those people that got their bags was from Saturday, last week Saturday people, not even Monday, not Tuesday, not Wednesday.
Play that video, how they treated us at Sky at that stupid hotel.
Like percent or what is your hotel name?
Listen, what we say, one thing is let's address one at a time. Your banks, that. For that one, even though you are habituated fairly at times in Cairo, during this season, there are so much pilgrims and all that. At times, they can put you where you don't like. Usually it's always a 5-star hotel. But when there's so much pilgrim and all that, they'll just use other hotels. On that, or the job you are apologize for that. But really, your banks, if you don't get Cairo, you have said, if you check, when from the destination they brought in you with big aircraft. When you go to Cairo, they brought small aircraft. They are bringing small aircraft because
we use small aircraft from Manchester, not even big one.
Most destinations are big. So when you go to Cairo, they use a smaller aircraft. Yesterday they brought a bigger aircraft. Now we are agitated to bring another one either tomorrow or next tomorrow.
But you said day before yesterday it was coming tomorrow. Yeah, it was coming yesterday.
All the bus we arrived.
Those bags that came were not even Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Let me tell you, guys,
it was not. If you want to say everything, everywhere was smelling. Everywhere was